Hey, I'm Rafael Gonzalez, and I'm a real estate agent that specializes in new construction. And today we'll be in tradition checking out Seville, which is a luxury resort style community that offers a mix of both single and two-story homes from the 500s up to over $1 million. So if you're looking for a home here in South Florida, reach out to me directly. I work with all of the builders and homes for sale, not just this one, and I'd be more than happy to help you. So here we have the Carlton, and it's a really unique layout that has plenty of space for a special pool design with how the owner suite is situated. This home is going to give you 2,722 square feet under air, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, with one of them being a Jack and Jill, a 3-car garage, and a flex room that can be used if you like a separate living and family room, or if you just need an office. And their homes come standard with concrete block construction on both the first and second story, tiled roofing, hurricane impact rated windows and doors. Natural gas is available for your kitchen and tankless water heater. You have gutters on all sides of the home, 10-foot ceilings on the main level, a built-in pest control system, and smart home automation with a security alarm system. And with this builder, you don't have to wait a year to build. From scratch, it takes about 9 to 11 months. Or if you're looking for something more move-in ready, they do have some homes for sale that are already under construction. So if you want more information about those and you want to see more of their homes, you should reach out to me directly. I help people just like you buying, building, and selling here in Florida. And I'd be able to help and work with and represent you throughout the process wherever you ultimately decide to call home. This is just one of the many beautiful homes Port St Lucie in South Florida has to offer. And as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area and wanna get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that.